Good morning guys, and in front of me is iPhone, and let me show you how to change passcode on your device. First of all, we have to reach settings, then find and select Face ID and passcode, and enter the passcode that you currently have. And now you can smoothly change it by tapping on Change Passcode, enter the current one, now provide a new one, re-enter it just to confirm, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this new passcode. So that's it, this will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.